Yeah. So that's why I thought he is Shiva and Shiva is Krishnan. And he is threatening him always. And I haven't shared this with anyone. Okay. I really felt very funny about myself. I was thinking him as okay. He's really nice person. Okay. Who wants to learn, who wants to succeed. Okay. I hope you will do. Yep. And Rohit. Rohit is really flexible, okay? At times he may want to go for Doom 3, that's different, okay?
Hey, அதை மறந்துட்டீங்க இன்னும் Doom 3 படிங்க அதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு இன்சிடென்ட் சுந்தர் please 5 minutes my girl is waiting.
Hyderabadi girl.
She came only for me, please give me time.
Yeah, it was really nice that he's having such a relationship with me. He's open to tell me that. I was really happy. I didn't think that why he is telling like that to me. I was happy that he's ready to share all those things with me. Okay, so I'm really happy because of that. Okay, and moreover, really, I would say some determined. He wants to do it. He has pinged me many times. Everyone was telling, I will keep on help you. But I know I have made people to wait a lot of times. And he is the person who might have waited a longer time for it than everyone. Whenever he started pinging, I will say, wait. But, yep, I was really busy. I'm really sorry for that. But I try to help whatever I can do. And he picked up very fast. Seriously, he didn't show like a person he's straight from academy. Okay. He started executing and he did a complex program DHCP 15S. I will repeat it again, DHCP 15S, but that isn't completed. Okay. I hope you complete that with unit testing successful. Okay.
But whatever work we assign Rohit, we don't have to go at the back of him. I am pretty sure like he will complete it on his own.
Yes.
We can, with no doubt we can give him.
Yes. So that's one thing. Not only I am feeling about it, how EMI is feeling, I am getting the same comments from on-site as well.
Yes, definitely.
He is impressed.
Yes, exactly.
Okay? Keep up the good work. I want to see you guys go. Okay? Rita. When Rita came to the project, I thought differently. She is from ESI experience, everything. And then she is also down to earth completely. Okay? I was feeling very different when I saw her talking to Anurup differently. I was seeing her like that. Yeah, I didn't see you speaking to me like that, but you were talking to Anurup differently. What we spoke, what happened, that's not important, but really thank you that you are not showing the same tone to me. Yep, I believe I got the confidence from you such that whatever you are sharing me, you make sure that you are cutting out unnecessary things and giving me what I need to hear. Really thankful for that. Certainly there are a lot of opportunities for you in this project. Okay? You have to take it up. All the best. And Sudha when she came into the project, she had a lot of conditions. She called me for a meeting. See, if you first tell whether I will have an opportunity or I will ask for release. Straight up. Second day, Sudha came and asked. But whatever, you are really technically strong. And you also have good communication with people in on-site. Okay? I haven't reviewed or done any of your technical delivery, but I got comments from people who you have worked that you are really perfect. So one guy asked, can you give me Sudha for the new project? So that's something, that's what we do. For this work, this is the appreciation or we will expect. So you already have it. You should be leading a team next. Okay? That's what your objective should be. I want you to do that. All the best. Eti is always reserved, okay? She does not want to talk to me unless I ask her. what is happening. I don't know when I terrorized her. But it was nice. I didn't get much chance to work with you technically. Okay. Most of the time I work with Eti, that is for eye service issues. This is not working. Sundar, my communicator, is not working. Okay. Yeah, learning. Most of the time, whenever I see her, she will be on phone. What you are doing? My account is locked. Yep. And then she will ask, shall I use the phone? When it was not used. So, yep, it was really nice. I was sitting within you guys. So, I was enjoying to my best. Okay. I am not isolated like other managers. So, it was really fun. And Lindsay, I didn't get a chance to talk to her like how I did with Eti because she was placed in other side of the way. Okay, you have started working. I have seen that you have worked something with Shanmuga and other stuffs. I hope you will get more opportunities. Make sure that whatever you get, you will succeed. Okay. All the best. அடுத்து ராஜா சிங். I've never seen someone like him. Okay. Yeah. See, so you can take this as a final vakuumulam. Okay. He locked down my mainframe password. Okay. He joined in the project second day. He got into an issue. He did not call me. The next day, I understood that he slept in dormitory and came back to office. So, I really saw a lot of determination and commitment to whatever you wanted to do. But at times you are doing that for your girlfriend or someone in Kumbakonam, I think. But seriously, Raja is very friendly. Okay, his name is very catchy. Okay, sing. Okay.
However tough might be the issue,
yes.
Make sure like he puts some of his effort too.
Yeah.
That is one thing to appreciate.
Yes.
Some Punjabi.
Who? Oh yeah.
When the first time I saw him, I was speaking in Tamil with Chandi and I was speaking English.
Yeah, everyone will start speaking with him and ask why you got this name.
We haven't answered that question.
But it was really fun to work with him, and he does not take anything to his heart. Okay, but of course I have never scolded anyone. Okay, but he's very cool, and you have to do the same thing whatever you are doing personally and professionally. You should know where you have to spend more time. Okay, and you will be growing.
Calls cut pannandra.
Kandipa.
Call na paatadilla. No, I am seeing you staying a lot. Okay, but what happens? It's important. So just see that will grow. Okay.
Kandipa.
Yep. அகிலா என்ன நான் உங்களை பத்தி என்ன சொல்ல போறேன்னு நினைச்சிட்டு இருக்கீங்களா? சொல்லுங்க. பட் அகிலா ஐ திங்க் என்கிட்ட போய் சொல்லிட்டு வீரம் படம் பார்த்துட்டாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
அங்க கேமரா கொடுங்க.
நிஜமாவே போலனா கூட இவங்க சிரிச்சு சிரிச்சு உண்மையாக்கிட்டாங்க போல இருக்கு. என்ன ப்ராமிஸ் நீ போல
See, January 10th, okay, the day before that,
I was cooking at home. I went to the bank and I came back.
nobody has given me a bank reason, but Akila told I have a working bank.
Sundar told me that only. He told me
that Jilla rendu Saturday and Monday, but the Friday promise ana pola.
But yeah, even she has technically proved a lot. Okay, but gap 12 மட்டும் சக்சஸ்ஃபுல்லா முடிச்சிருங்க சரிங்களா? I don't know how it will go. That is going. Okay, but mostly I have seen her. She's kind of what I should say, like always takes everything cool. Okay.
Right way.
Yeah, and then if it is more technically pressurized, she will think, "Hey, okay, I will come tomorrow and see that." That's what the attitude. But it's really important to see the personal life. Of course, even I do that most of the times. Else, I'll get beatings from my wife. Okay,
I have
that's
learned
different.
from her. I have learned from her.
Yeah, that's really important.
Yes,
What
exactly.
see what you want to do. That's what you should not be leaving something failure in your personal life. Something is failure in your professional life. You can always have time to come back and correct it. Okay. Maximum you will miss out on a EA 1 year or something like that. Okay. I'm not telling for you. But in the personal life you cannot miss anything. That is what more important, and that's why we live. We are living for our family and coming to office and doing the work. Okay, not we are working and we are taking leisure in home, something like that. Okay, and I believe most of our team members agree with that, and that's why we are having a very cordial relationship with everyone except one guy. Okay, he left. Okay, don't worry. he had a different thoughts. I don't want to talk. Okay. Yep. So next is Sesame Hema.
Varre, va.
Okay. Hema is very enthusiastic. Okay. Before I started speaking to her in offshore or somewhere, she will ping me, Sundar. I have done this, Sundar. I will be working at 2 a.m. or 2:30 a.m. something for a critical issue. She will ping and tell, Sundar, I completed this. I will tell, okay, thank you, Hema. Very
That's
good.
what that's what she used to say. இல்லைங்க இவரு நம்ம எப்படி ஒர்க் பண்றோம் ஒன்றும் தெரியாம இவரு என்ன இப்படி சொல்றாருன்னு.
அது பாதி தூக்கத்துல நானே வந்து எப்படி ஒர்க் பண்றது என்ன பண்றது தெரியாம பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பேன் ஆன்லைன்ல இருக்கும்போது. ஸோ தட் வாஸ் ஒன் திங். அண்ட் தென் இங்கே ஆஃப்ஷோர் வந்த உடனே as she told, she will not come and talk to me directly. Okay, because she had a separate lead, Srini, and then Srini will come to me and talk. I really miss Srini.
Yes,
Okay, till he was here, he was like, even if he doesn't have any work, he will sit with me and tell, okay, let's complete and go. That's something of partnership. I have never been in this organization. I have been with such kind of partnership in my first project. Okay, and then it's gone. I have been in 2 projects. One is UHG and the second it is ESI. Okay, so yeah, we were talking about Hema. And I will not forget one incident with Hema. Okay, she does not have QA access. Okay, so I have to submit the job for her. Okay, she started learning online interest test by asking me to submit the jobs. Okay, the same day, with the gap of 30 minutes, she asked me to submit the job 4 times. Okay, 4th time I asked, what is happening? Because I was so busy, I cannot ask her what is happening. 4th time I asked what is happening. She told, no, the trap is not happening. It is not getting trapped. And why are you telling that after 2 hours? And then I called her in my system. I did that. It worked in the first time itself. That was really funny thing that happened. I didn't know. I thought she was trapping and then missed the transaction by some day or something. I used to tease her for that till now, but recently I saw her trapping 502 and finding fault in depth code. So I'm satisfied. Okay, and she wants to do everything very fast. Okay, and even when she speaks, she will be speaking very fast. When she spoke to my wife, she was telling she couldn't get the words because she is talking too fast. Okay, so yeah, even in work she wants to complete everything and she will ask, Sundar, na kalambava. Okay, so yeah, and when I was telling about Hema, I'm recollecting Priya. Okay, so Priya was wonderful to the project.
Yes, exactly.
She used to, of course, she has worked with me more than 2 years. She was with me in the previous project in offshore as well. So she knows how I will work. Whatever I ask, she will just complete it. Because she has worked with me, so she knows what are the things and about this system and other stuff. So she was helping me to some time after Srini left. But after Srini left, I didn't get much of support till Hema and Somu became good grip of the system. Till they get a good, yeah. So now they are SMS.
Again, this
Okay.
is
And then we really invested on these two guys as well. So yeah, I'll come to that part. So, and Hema was really friendly, I would say. Okay, she I've seen her fighting with others, but she's never spoken with me something like that. Whether I was leading her or not, she was really cool. Before I became a lead to her, I was a colleague, right? So at that time itself, she used to communicate very friendly to me. So it was a nice experience. Thank you and all the best.
yes.
And I want to tell one more thing regarding her H1B visa. Okay.
It's really a thing which you should mention.
Okay. One day what happened, she told before that I do not want to travel. So I told Anurup that she doesn't want to travel, but I will ask her. And the same day when I asked her, no, I want to travel. No, I want to travel. I will give all the information. Please nominate H1B for me. She did not give her passport number till the next day. Okay. I called her in the evening. She did not pick up or something, and then the next day told me, no, Sundar, then nobody is allowing me to give my passport number and other things for visa. She was really sad that she couldn't get H1B, but she has other priorities which she should oblige, and she is doing that. I'm happy for you for that. I hope you will be traveling soon after getting an H1B. Yep. Next, Raj. She told, I know these guys. See, when you are going to a group of 50 or 60 people, okay, you can easily identify few people, okay. These two guys, and there was Jawahar, and there was one more girl or something, but not Vatri's girlfriend, okay. Okay. So these people, I could easily pick on these people, and these people wanted to learn. I saw that when I was going for the training as well. I don't know how Pratap and Siva counseled them, but I really wanted them to enjoy. Of course, I was getting released and I was traveling before that. So I came for the last session and I told, before that itself Shiva told, I think. I'll be traveling, right? So yeah, we had a photo and we had a lot of fun. And then when I came back here, I saw these 4 people. Okay, nice. So you should know that if someone is going for a session and then taking few people out of that, then they must be the best. Okay? So you have been taken because you guys are doing a better job in the whatever we have seen over there. Okay? You should be continuing to do the same. Okay? And they didn't release you from POS because they see that you are doing a good job in POS as well. Okay? Keep continuing. All the best. Okay? Yeah, Pandian. See, I have never seen a calm person like him. Okay? At time I don't know whether he is sitting or not. And he is so polite. Okay? Chella is already polite. Okay? He will not talk to Chella. Okay, Chella might see this. Okay? Yeah, I remember one incident. I asked him, Pandian, can you drop me somewhere? Something, because that day 10:30 or some 10:30 p.m. or something. Okay, I asked him. He said, I will ask him. If there is no work, I will leave. Okay. After 30 minutes of call, I saw him, he was sitting with Challa like this. But he is very determined and he really has a very good name. Okay, you are going to flourish in this project. All the best. Shanmuga is
terrorist.
yes, Shanmuga really has a terror group. Shanmuga, face edanga Shanmuga. Shanmuga.
Shanmuga.
Yeah. Shanmuga first when he came to the project, he will say, okay, if you have work, give it to me. Okay, I will do and leave. And then later I found out, I saw him coming to office at different times. Everyone was coming to 11 and some people will come by 11:30, but Shanmuga will come by 10:30. And I will not forget that he keeps his specs to make sure that he has given attendance. Okay. Okay, so that is something I have noted. Even after he is shifting this bay, he keeps his specs and then leaves home. And he is really a fun-loving person. Okay, if he is really technically strong. I worked only one day with him. Okay, he told many things in JC. I have never worked on all those things. Okay, technically I'm not that much. I can add one if condition on move, but I haven't done much more than that. But people like you guys have done more than what I have done. And Shanmuga is example for that. He is more experienced, but more calm, more polite. He doesn't want to lead the team. He's happy what he is. But soon he will be a very prominent person. He can become an MLA or MP. So we keep contacts with him. Okay, if you want something in government organization, you can give Manu. What is that? Petition to him. Okay. All the best. Thank you. Kishore. Okay. So Kishore is very different. Okay. That's why I told him like I think different picture during that. Okay. I have seen similar persons in my career. Even in my batch, I have seen one guy, okay, who is straight from MCA. He finally fought with the project manager. Now he is with the Java team. Okay. But that guy is inefficient in mainframe. Okay. But I'm not seeing that with you. Okay. So you are really doing what you have been given, and you can also do beyond that. Okay. And I could see that you are really interested in doing things beyond delivery. Okay. So that's some example you can learn from him. Okay. Seriously, that will give you a huge visibility. Okay. Huge visibility. He's already getting that. I really appreciate you for that. Okay. And at times I have lost patience with him. I will ask him, see, this is the reason I have asked you to compile this. People does not know, I am not blaming him. People, when someone gives you some work, should know why you are doing the work. Until you know that, you will not do it perfectly. I have seen him learning that. So he will ask why I am doing it. At times I have forwarded him command center and I have told him the steps, and then he will ask why this is like this. With the steps he can do what needs to be done, but he will ask, he will try to understand what is there, and that kind of things will help you in life more than what you are doing for the one day delivery. Okay, I hope all success for you. All the best.
Thank you.
And Prasanna,
கண்டிப்பா சொல்லிடணும். Hero.
I have seen some of me in Prasanna. Okay, whenever when I was in UHG, okay, I used to stay late. Okay, but I was thinking why he is staying late when he can complete it everything, and then I saw that he is going for call from 6:30 to 7. Okay, that is something I will never forget whenever I am thinking about Prasanna. Okay, and then he will tell, no, I will stay and work. I will stay. He was telling very confident. I will stay and work.
No.
For you are staying and.
The staying and working is inside this project, okay? When he joined from POS, he used to
No, I understood that. Okay, he is not sitting with us, right? See, he is not sitting with us, right? So I called someone in POS and I asked him, where is Prasanna? No, he usually won't be here around 6 or 6:30.
எல்லாருமே சொல்லுவாங்க.
Tough time. 7:30 status I have to give. He will not pick up my call. He will not give me status. I have to search for him. He will be offline. I have called Sundar. I said, Sundar, I don't know. I'm having tough time with him.
But he really took the opportunity once he came to CDS. He has really performed well, way better than what he was performing in POS. Okay, maybe some people are telling it's because how I interacted with him. I'm really happy for that. Okay, so and he has some short-term goals like traveling. I hope everything will get as you expect. Okay, and you will have a wonderful life with your family in US. Okay, all the best. I finished?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for the time you are spending. More than whatever that is.
Do you believe that I went to the movie?
No. Sorry. இவ்ளோ சொல்லிட்டீங்கல்ல. I will erase that. Okay? You have gone for the bank.
நினைச்சிட்டே இருந்திருக்கீங்க. எப்ப முடிப்பாரு? சண்டை போனா விடக்கூடாது.
இல்ல நம்மளும் சிரிச்சிட்டோமே ஒருவேளை அப்ப நிஜம்னு நாளே சொல்ற மாதிரி
Just for fun. Okay. I correlated. As January 10, நீங்க மூவி bluffன்னு சொல்லிட்டீங்க. And then you called and told me I have a bank work in the evening. Okay.
ஈவினிங் வரேன்னு சொன்னேன்.
சரி, ஓகே. பேங்க்னா ஒரு 2 நாள் 3 நாளுக்கு முன்னாடியே பிளான் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க.
அப்ப நீங்க நம்பல இன்னும் படத்துக்கு தான் போனாங்கன்றீங்க.
ஆமாங்க. நீங்க கும்பகோணத்துல கேர்ள் ஃப்ரெண்ட பார்க்க போன மாதிரி
கும்பகோணத்துக்கு கேர்ள் ஃப்ரெண்ட் எல்லாம் பார்க்க போனோம். பாஸ் பண்ணுவோம்.